Open your cameras, everyone. Open your cameras quickly. Open your cameras quickly. Yes, Aryan, Gangwar, Ritvik, and Pranjal, open your camera. Pranjal, Kunal, open your cameras quickly. Good morning, everyone, and be in a habit of saying good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Open your cameras quickly. Excuse me. Okay, open your maths book, page number. Wait a minute. Open maths book, page number is 40. Maths book, page 40. Take out maths book, page 40. Yes, take out your maths book, page number 40, everyone, and open your cameras also. There are so many students whose cameras are not on. Just quickly switch them on. Why you people are so late? Everyone, as soon as I share the link at 7:30, you have to be there. Who is this Yagjadut Sharma? Who is this Yagjadut Sharma? Open your camera. Change your name also. Yagjadut Sharma कौन है बेटा? Tell me your name. Who are you? Dhruv Patel. Open your camera. And Dhruv Patel, it is important to say. Beta ye Yagjadut Sharma, whosoever is it, rename yourself or I have to throw you out of the meeting. Because with different names, you are not allowed in the meeting. The name should be the name of yours. Vashu, Samar, Divit, open your cameras quickly. Okay, now look here. Take out your maths book, page number 40. Maths book, page 40. Okay. Now, have we done question number 8? Question 8 किया था. Rani's landlord वाला हमने किया था. I think so. Wait a minute. Let me check till where we have done. Okay, we have to start from question 6. Mangoes wala. Yes or no? What you people are doing? Are you all sleeping? Samarth Kumar, Sarakshi, Vashu, open your cameras also.
Yes, ma'am.
We have to start from question 6.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, question 6 you will do yourself. There are 4,012 mangoes in one orchard and 3,872 in another. How many mangoes are there? I told you this one. There were 2 orchards. Orchards mean, देखो. You will look here. Wait. देखो, question number 6 में what it is there. there are two orchards. Two orchard. Orchard means gardens. Garden of fruit. So there is one garden of fruit, mangoes, and there are second fruits. इसमें fruits है थोड़े से. ठीक है. So there are 4,012 mangoes in one orchard. One orchard में there are 4,012 mangoes. One orchard में, and another orchard में there are how many mangoes? 3,872 in another orchard. Now you have to calculate how many mangoes will be there in both the orchards. How many mangoes are there in both the orchards? So do it yourself. ये अपने आप करना है question. Do it and send the answers to me. Do this question yourself. अपने आप करो. Do question 6 yourself. अपने आप करो अभी के अभी.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I can't do the work, ma'am, because ma'am, today I am out of Bareilly. I don't have my book and notebook.
Okay, Shaurya Patel. ठीक है. Rest of the class do this work. Rest of the class do this work. Do question 6 yourself. अपने आप करो question 6 and send me the answer. I am giving you only 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, I will start the next question. You have only 5 minutes to do the answer yourself. करो अपने आप कॉपी में करो. Like question 6 लिखो पहले कॉपी में ऐसे करके. The way you used to do. Question 6 लिखो. First word लिखो. Last word लिखो उसका. What is question 6? There are. Put dot in between. And orchards will be the last word. Okay, these are the two first word and फिर आप you start writing the answers. ठीक है, अपने आप start करो. Statement अपने आप बनाओ. I want to see how you people are doing. Open your cameras, Rudransh.
Ma'am, I have sent in my work.
Okay.
Good morning.
कौन है विकल्प? हमेशा इतना लेट क्यों आते हो? Why you are always late, विकल्प? Always late, विकल्प. Be quick everyone, अपने आप करो ये question.
Ma'am, I am Rudransh Kumar. I am sending.
No need to tell that you are sending. Okay. बेटा number of mangoes first statement नहीं होगी. Number of mangoes in one orchard ये incomplete है रुद्रांश. और यहाँ total number of mangoes lost नहीं आएगा, left नहीं आएगा. ये wrong है. रुद्रांश it is completely wrong. बेटा इस वाले में पता है, इस वाले में बताओ total पूछे हैं, left नहीं पूछा है. How many are left? They are asking what is the total. Rudransh, your answer is wrong. Everybody do it quickly and open your camera so that I can see कि आप काम कर रहे हैं. Anshsen, Shaurya Patel, Akshita, Vashu, Sarakshi, Shaurya Pratap. Open your cameras. Shaurya Pratap, especially you. Because I know you don't study at all. You try to befool your parents as well.
And my work.
Ritvik, Ansh, Kunal, By the time I will take your attendance, just wait a minute. Do not leave the meeting. Nobody will leave the meeting now because I'm taking your attendance. Aditi. Akshata, Ansh.
Excuse me, ma'am.
हाँ.
Ma'am, there are all choice, ma'am. There are half questions, so ma'am. I cannot write a statement because, ma'am, I don't have a book.
हार्दिक बेटा आपकी बुक कब आएगी? When are you going to buy the books? चलो, I'm sending you. सिर्फ तुम्हारी वजह से हार्दिक आप to do it again and again.
Oh, ma'am, don't say.
Aditi, Akshita, let me. Aman is again absent. Anant Pathak. Anant is also absent. Okay. Anshi, Kapil, Aradhya, Ranjan, Aryan. Aryan Gangwar was continuously absent. Ayush, Dakshita, Dhruv, Divit, Gurkaran, Hardik, Hardik Takwala present. Hardik, Humera, Kalpat is not present. Kalpat is absent. Karanveer, Kunal, Mohammad Saad is absent. Ranjan, absent. Neil Prabhupada present. Ritwik, Rutraj, Samarth Kumar, Saransh, Singh, Saran Chandani is absent. Saran Singh, Sarthak Kumar, Shaurya Patel, Shaurya Pratap, Shlokdeep, Shreya, Vanya absent. Varshu, Vikalp, Aditya is absent today also. Chalo, I've taken your attendance. I hope everyone has sent the answers to me. Let me check your answers. Okay. Who is this? Aradhya Sharma. Okay, Aradhya, very good. Very nice. Okay, who is this? Beta, orchard pura likho. Do not use a short form. Samarth Kumar. Orchard, do not write only O. Write the whole spelling. वाशु बेटा ये 8th क्वेश्चन कहाँ से कर लिया तुमने? 6 7 ये क्वेश्चन कहाँ से कर लिया? 7th and 8th.
Ma'am,
हाँ.
ma'am, what is spelling of second?
SECOND. Vashu, where are you? Vashu, open your mic. Vashu, open your mic because your answers are somewhere wrong. Open your mic. Don't know, पता नहीं कहाँ से करके बैठे हैं. वाशु, आपकी ये ट्यूशन कॉपी है क्या? हाँ वाशु, is this your tuition copy? You are very smart, na? Yes, I can see, I can recognize. Vashu, open your camera, mic. Open your mic. Vashu, open your mic. Mic open karo. Very nice. He leave the meeting. Chalo. Okay, very good, Gurkaran. Very nicely done. समर्थ कुमार, बेटा ऑर्चर्ड का ओ हटा करके ऑर्चर्ड लिखो पूरा. बेटा 2 ऑर्चर्ड नहीं होता है, सेकंड ऑर्चर्ड होता है दक्षता. ओके, गुड. 2 ऑर्चर्ड नहीं होता बेटा, सेकंड होता है. ओके, दक्षता.
Yes, ma'am.
It's second orchard, not 2 orchard. Okay, right? Second.
Okay, ma'am.
बाकी सब ठीक है. बेटा ये ऑर्चर्ड ए और ऑर्चर्ड बी नहीं है. पूछ किसने कहा ये ऑर्चर्ड ए और बी है? Is it written A or B? Mango in one orchard, mango in second orchard, not A and B.
Okay, ma'am. Has been lived. Remember network problem. The class has been lived. Please enter me.
जल्दी से. There are so many students. They are left. There are so many students who still are left. Send it quickly. Jaldi se everyone open your, oh sorry, send me your answers. I've not received any answers till now. Okay, आराध्या, I got your answer. Number of mangoes in one orchard आएगा आराध्या पहले.
Ma'am, my class is not joining.
Beta, who asked you to do this 5, 6, 7, 8 question? I want to know whether it is your tuition copy. Okay, very good. ये गलत करे. First orchard. हाँ, दक्षता, now it is correct. सारांश सिंह, बेटा मैं कितनी बार बोलूंगी do not leave lines in between. ये लाइन क्यों छोड़ रखी है बीच बीच में? सारांश सिंह, do not leave lines in between. Do not write any line in between.
No, ma'am, this is my school notebook.
Then beta, who asked you to do this 5, 6, 7? Then beta, who asked you to do this 7, 8, 9, 10 question also? I have not given you.
Ma'am, what right
time
block
also to
in?
write down the answer. Then why have you written it? क्या हो गया?
Ma'am, what right block in?
क्या? What have block in? चलो let's start the next question. Let us start the next question. Okay, so many students they did not send me the answer. वो ध्यान रहे उनका कभी भी समझ नहीं आएगा कि वर्ड प्रॉब्लम कैसे होती है जिन्होंने मुझे आंसर सेंड नहीं किए. जिनको मैंने बता दिया कि उनकी क्या मिस्टेक है उनके लिए तो ठीक है. ओके, जिनको नहीं पता उनकी मिस्टेक क्या है they will never be able to learn कि वर्ड प्रॉब्लम्स कैसे करते हैं. Okay, let's start the next question. Dakshata, read the next question, beta. 7th question. Everyone,
Yes,
quickly
ma'am.
open your cameras. Everyone, quickly open your cameras.
We are the landlord.
Rani's landlord. Say Rani's landlord.
Rani's landlord spent 3,554 on repairing the doors and 4,098 on electrical fittings in the house. What is the total expenditure of her landlord?
Very good, very good. Pranjal, बिल्कुल ठीक किया आपने. Who is this? अंश सेन. अंश बेटा आपने सो स्टेटमेंट नहीं लिखी है और टोटल को आपने रॉन्ग आंसर निकाला है. टोटल का आंसर रॉन्ग निकाला है. 7 आना चाहिए, आपने 2 लिखा है और सो स्टेटमेंट नहीं लिखी है. अक्षता, you also have not written the so statement. इतना गंदा काम किया है. Is it the way digits to be written? Okay, now look here everyone. Stop doing the previous work. Now look here. There is very important question it is. Very important question it is. Question number 7. Question number 7, everyone. It is very important. See here. Rani's landlord. Rani. Suppose you are Rani. Open your cameras quickly so that I can know you are not sleeping behind the camera. Rani की landlord है. Landlord कौन होता है? What do you mean by landlord? What do you mean by landlord? Speak. ध्रुव पटेल ये क्या किया है? Wait a minute बेटा. दक्षता, wait. ध्रुव पटेल ये क्या किया है? विकल्प करेक्ट. Wait a minute. Chalo, let's start. I think, oh, by mistake, some of the people have left. Okay, look here. Number of mangoes in one orchard, number of mangoes in second orchard, total mangoes. Kalpit is coming now. Okay. ओके सार्थक, आपने सो स्टेटमेंट नहीं लिखी है. आपका आंसर ठीक है, बट यू हैव नॉट रिटन द सो स्टेटमेंट सार्थक. ओके, लैंडलॉर्ड मींस where the people live. जैसे आप किसी के मकान मालिक सुना है हिंदी में? When you live on rent, when some people live on rent, जिसका हाउस होता है, that is known as the landlord. Okay? अर्जुन यादव ठीक है. अर्जुन यादव विकल्प से. बेटा ये मैथ्स कॉपीज ये वाली यूज नहीं करी जाएगी. Maths copies, this one you will not use. Maths copies should be used of Hindi lines. Okay? Next time I don't want to see this notebook from the next chapter. जब chapter 2, chapter 3 start होगा, subtraction 4, chapter 4 subtraction start होगा, your copies should be of Hindi line. I will not allow you to do in this copy. जो maths वाली copy है, कोई भी chapter 4 इसी वाली copies में नहीं करेगा. Maths वाली copies में. It should be of Hindi line. Okay? Now, see, what is the question? So Rani के landlord ने spent some rupees on repairing the doors. Suppose उनके house के doors खराब हो गए थे. Repairing means, what do you mean by repairing? What do you mean by repairing?
मैम मैम फिर से बनवाना.
क्या बनवाना? फिर से बनवाना. Yes, very good. उसे ठीक करवाना. किसी चीज को ठीक करवाना. Very good.
मैम उसे
तो जब हम ठीक कराते हैं तो उसको बोलते हैं repairing. So उनके रानी के लैंडलॉर्ड ने अपने डोर्स ठीक कराए हैं एंड द डोर्स को उन्होंने रिपेयर कराने के लिए सम मनी ही स्पेंड एंड ही सम इलेक्ट्रिकल फिटिंग्स क्या होता है बेटा? जो हमारे घर में इलेक्ट्रिसिटी आती है, ठीक है, जो इलेक्ट्रिसिटी आती है लाइक लाइट्स, फैंस, ऑल दीज थिंग्स आर देयर. तो ये लाइट, इलेक्ट्रिसिटी एंड ऑल दीज थिंग्स, दिस इज नोन एज, क्या बोलते हैं इसको, इलेक्ट्रिकल फिटिंग्स. जो हमारे जो तार जुड़े होते हैं उसको इलेक्ट्रिकल फिटिंग बोलते हैं. सो व्हाट ही डिड, he used Nadi Lennon spent rupees this on repairing the doors. Some money he spent on repairing the doors and some money he spent on the repairing the this repairing the electrical items. ठीक है, अब आपको ये बताना है कि उन्होंने कितना स्पेंड किया है. Expenditure, the word expenditure means the word expenditure means to spend. To spend. Spend means खर्च करना. Expenditure expend means खर्च करना. कैसे कैलकुलेट करोगे? Yes बेटा, कैसे कैलकुलेट करोगे?
मैम we will subtract.
हाँ, subtract. अच्छा, subtract कर दोगे. Doors वाला भी subtract. You will add the total spend, कि वो कितना spend कर रहे हैं. Rani's landlord put dot in between and write the landlord the last one. Write it in your maths notebook. Write it in your maths notebook. Look here. Rani's landlord till landlord. Okay. 7. Money spent on repairing doors. Next will be money spent on electrical fittings.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes. And Aradhya, beta, you were not removed from the meeting. Nobody removed you from the meeting. You just left it yourself, and the meeting by mistake it was locked so that you were not able to enter. Don't think कि आपको मैंने remove किया जानबूझ करके, okay? Money is spent on electrical fittings.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, in Rani's, you have written Rani's landlord, point, ma'am, and land.
What? What are you saying?
Ma'am, I'm saying that you have written Rani's landlord dash land.
So, are you doing
Ma'am,
it?
right. The
क्या
word.
पहली बार हार्दिक क्लास अटेंड कर रहे हो? पहली बार क्लास अटेंड कर रहे हो? Put plus sign over here. Total money spent.
Ma'am, what do you write? First statement, first word.
रानीज बुक में देखो क्या होता है.
Ma'am,
Yes.
can you read the electricity spelling because I cannot see
What?
clearly.
Can you read the?
Electricity word.
Better do one thing. See in your books. See in your book. Spellings you should see in book. Question is there, page number 40. You can check it from there. All the spellings. जल्दी करो इसे complete.
Ma'am, please zoom the camera.
Aditya, why are you so late? Aditya, why are you so late?
Yes, ma'am.
Just were you sleeping?
No, ma'am.
Then why are you late? Tell me, why are you late? Today I have
Ma'am.
given you permission to enter. Tomorrow onwards I'm not going to give any permission. Why are you late?
Please
Yes,
send the
Aditya.
work on the WhatsApp group.
No, I will not send.
Excuse me, ma'am.
No, I will not send. Do it from here only. Do it from here only if everyone is doing it from here. And open your cameras. Divit, Karanveer, Shlokdeep, Dhruv Patel, Sarakshi, Ansen. I am going to remove you. Hardik, Divit, open your cameras. Open your cameras. Hardik, Divit, Vashu. Shlokdeep, Divit, Hardik, open your cameras. Quickly, do it. Done? Done? Jaldi se complete it.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
क्वेश्चन 7 की फर्स्ट लाइन बता दीजिए.
So first of all, speak in English. Speak in English.
Ma'am, please read question 7th line.
Ye wali, this one. Rani's landlord till ... till landlord. It is your question you can see from the book. If you are not able to understand, you can just open your book and see first letter of the book and the last letter of the book. आदित्य, व्हाट आर यू सर्चिंग? अभी तक मैथ्स कॉपी निकली नहीं है.
Ma'am, I have done my work.
Okay, very good. And what about others?
Ma'am, I have done my work. Ma'am, I have done my work.
Okay,
Ma'am,
what is the answer coming?
done my
Okay, tell me what is the answer coming?
Ma'am,
Ma'am, I can tell. Ma'am, 762.
Ma'am, 7,652.
Ma'am, 7652.
Is it so?
Ma'am,
Is the answer?
7652.
See, 4, 8, 12, 1 carry, 9, 5, 14, 1, 15, 1 carry, 5, 1, 6, 3, 4, 7. Yes, correct. Very good. Okay, let's read the next question. Okay, Apurv, read the next question. Divit, open your camera. Your camera is off. What you are doing behind the camera?
The first has 4,467 rows. See by an equals number more. How many rows does he have in all?
Okay, very good. See, a florist. What do you mean by florist? What do you mean by florist? Florist कौन होता है? What do you mean by florist? Anyone knows who is a florist?
Ma'am, who sells the flowers?
Very good, Dakshita. Very good. The one who sell flowers. The हार्दिक बीच में माइक बिल्कुल ओपन मत किया करो. हैंड रिमूव कर अपना माइक से. हार्दिक, remove your hand from the mic. Hardik, remove your hand from the mic. Yes. Put it back. And don't speak in between when one is speaking, Hardik. Dakshita. Okay, very nice, Dakshita. Florist is the one who sell flowers. जो flowers हमें बेचते हैं वो क्या होते हैं? Florist. तो florist ने क्या किया है? He is having some roses. जो बुके बनाते हैं, they are also florist. ठीक है? So they are selling some flowers. Okay, in one flower. So what he has some roses with him. How many roses are there? 4, 6, 7 roses with him. उसके पास 4, 4, 6, 7 roses थे. एक florist था and he has how many roses? इतने roses थे. Suppose उसके पास 4,000 roses थे. अब जितने उसके पास roses थे वो उतने ही और ले आया. He brought an equal number more. That means the number of roses he has, he brought that much roses more. अगर उसके पास 4,000 थे तो वो 4,000 और लेकर आ गया. So अब उसके पास टोटल कितने रोजेस हो गए?
8,000.
Very good, Aradhya. Very nice. 8,000. You added this number and this number, right, Aradhya? You did like this. Very good. Okay. 4,000 उसके पास पहले से रोजेस थे और जितने थे वो उतने ही ले आता. अगर वो उसके पास 3,000 रोजेस होते तो वो और कितने लेकर आता? वो 3,000 और लेकर आ जाता. ठीक है. So the number of roses he has, he is bringing equal same number of. अगर 3 होते तो 3 लाता, अगर 2